To connect Huawei FreeBuds SE Free into Android phone, first of all, you will have to start by opening your browser and you have to input this phrase AI Live app. You have to open an official Huawei AI Live and we have to download application that will be allows us to connect these earbuds into our phone. So click on this red button, install now, then wait for another page. And right here, you can accept all of these cookies and click here to install. And now if you have any button that will appear right here to install app gallery, just simply install via browser, so you don't have to use this gallery. Now, as you can see, all you have to do is just to click to download this file. And when the download will be finished, you can just go into downloads on your phone, or you can also go into downloads if you are using Google Chrome, so you'll find this button right here. And then you can find this file. You will have to just click on it and just simply install this application. Sometimes you will have to get this unsafe app blocked, so click on more details, select install anyway. Don't worry, it's completely safe to get this application. This is official Huawei application. Then click open, select your region, click next, click continue, and accept right now everything that will pops up on your screen. Now, what you have to do is just to basically enter for the pairing mode on this device. So with both earbuds inside and with this case opened, click and hold this button until this light turns white. It will start blinking white. So now we can release, and you can click here on plus. Right now it's scanning for nearby devices. If it is not gonna work, then you can also enter for Bluetooth settings on your phone. Click to pair new device, and from available devices list, select Huawei FreeBuds SE Free. Click on them once, accept pairing. Now just wait until you will be connected, like in my case. Then go back into the AI Live application and you can just go back from this one, and here you will be connected. Sometimes when you tap on it, you will have to download plugin, like in my case. So click enable, now wait for 100%, and then you can just click on them and the screen will open. So wait for it. It will actually take a few seconds. And now as you can see, we are connected. Please leave a like and subscribe.